Hi, welcome back to the back deck. Please pardon the background noise, as there's lots of people that like to drive around with a loud exhaust because they're trying to make up for something. And my neighbors have a tendency to run power tools, but only when I'm back here trying to shoot a video. So earlier this year, I had placed an order, actually not very long ago, I had placed an order with Graf Sons. And I go to them primarily for reloading supplies. Previous to that order, I hadn't ordered from them in a while, either because I didn't need anything or something I was looking for they didn't have in stock or something like that. But Graf Sons does offer a lot of reload stuff at a fair price, and sometimes they offer it when other companies don't have it in stock. So I was looking around for a few things. I found something on Graf Sons, and I decided to go ahead and place another order. Now, with my previous order, I was really disappointed. It took about 3 weeks. They didn't charge my credit card for a while, and I wasn't sure if I was going to order anything else from them again this year, but I thought I'd go ahead and take a chance. It's not a very big order. I placed this order on October 24th. I believe my credit card was charged on the 26th, and this arrived on the 29th. So that's much better than last time. Hopefully, maybe things are straightening out over there and they're getting caught up or something. The package is fairly durable. I mean, pretty decent box here. It's taped up nice and tight. If you tape them up nice and tight, they're more likely to survive the transit. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what all I got or what condition it's in. Try not to cut myself with my own buck knife here. So the packing slip is tucked in there. See lots of gratuitous packaging. I mean, a lot of it. A whole lot. I don't even know at any point if there's going to be any ammo in here. All right, here we go. I wondered if they were going to do this. So, nothing loose in the box. All right, let's get rid of the box. So recently I gave away some of my ammo cans and then turned right around and had a need for ammo cans. So I'll be buying more ammo cans, a little here, a little there, like I've done in the past. I'm kind of cleaning up downstairs, and I'm finding I need containers to put things away in. So I added this ammo can to the order because it didn't change anything on shipping costs. And this is a lower profile ammo can than what they offer at some of the stores locally for the same brand, MTM or MCM. Here, yeah, MCM case guard. They make a lot of firearms related products out of plastic, and storage is something that they specialize in. So it says right here, similar to the last video, if you go check that out, items inside. They did this last time. They just took a post-it note and just taped it up. So let's go ahead and see what items are inside. Now, what I like about this ammo can, it's got these two latches here, and they seem to hold pretty tight. You see it's got a rubber seal, and that's something I look for in other ammo cans. It doesn't mean that you can submerge it and it's going to stay watertight, but it's going to keep moisture out. And if you throw some desiccant packs in there, you should be able to store whatever it is for quite a while. So what did I get? Well, as some of you might know, if you've seen a recent video, I finally got a Carcano rifle. So I reload, and why not reload for the Carcano? There's not a lot of manufacturers out there for ammunition for this rifle. That's kind of scarce right now because so many Carcanos have flooded the market. People have been buying up ammunition, and I enjoy reloading. So previously I picked up some PPU brass in 6.5 Carcano. This is made by Norma, and it's just unprimed 6.5 Carcano brass. Now, this is half as many rounds as what's in. This is 25 here versus 50 in the PPU package, and it's a little bit more than the PPU. So you get half as many rounds for paying just a little bit more. Not that there's anything wrong with PPU. I've used PPU ammunition and reload supplies, and I've never had an issue with it. But there aren't a lot of companies out there making 6.5 brass, so I thought I would try out the Norma brass and just see if there was any difference. In addition, I bought more PPU bullets. Right now, they seem to be the only ones that are available out there. And what did we get here? I forgot about this. Oh, yeah, that's right. I get some 62 grain full metal jacket, 250 in a box. 62 grain full metal jacket for 223556. So these are .224 diameter bullets, and this was only, I think it was about 26 bucks, which I'm paying about 18, 19 for 100 rounds of these at Bass Pro. So this is, I thought, was a really good deal. Nothing I bought here was a really marked up price. Right now, with everybody marking up their prices or price gouging, I'm not dealing with that. I'll go ahead and buy other things that I need right now, and everybody else can waste their money paying too much. So now I can load up 250 more rounds of 223 or 5.56. I've got plenty of brass and primers and powder to do it. I can go ahead and make up some loads for the Carcano, although I don't plan to shoot that till next year. Then I went ahead and I picked up a quick trim die for the Carcano. Die sets are still out of stock, but I do have notifications with a couple different websites. The Lee website has been down recently, and I'm not exactly sure what's going on there. I also picked up a Hornady shell holder that'll work with 6.5 Carcano. So a little at a time, I'm getting what I need, and hopefully I'll have the time over the winter, this dark winter that's coming. I'll have the time over the winter, and I can work up some loads, because I've already got some reload data. I've got powder, primers, everything else. And then maybe next spring I can take the rifle out and try it out. I don't think I'm going to have time before then. I mean, if I do, I will, but for right now, I didn't get price gouged on any of this. It came in a reasonable amount of time, quick, and I didn't have to wait for them to charge my credit card. And they packaged it in a way that made complete and total sense, and they really put a lot of extra work into their packaging, just like last time, to make sure this wasn't harmed. So I'm pleased to say that my second experience in 2020 with Graf Sons was much better. Thanks for watching.